Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to look at how to set up a clean detailed view for different objects in Pipedrive. And by different objects, I mean the deal detailed view, the person detailed view, the organization detailed view, or the leads detailed view. Now, I personally don't use the leads pipeline or the leads object inside Pipedrive, and I seldom use the organization object inside Pipedrive. So for this video, I'm only going to focus on customizing the deal detailed view and the person detailed view of my Pipedrive account. So this is my Pipedrive account. As you can see, I have one deal here. Now I'm going to click this deal detailed view, and we are going to soon notice that there are many detailed views which I am not personally using inside Pipedrive. So to remove unnecessary sections of information, what I'm going to do is I'm going to customize this deal detailed view, and let's look at how we can do that. I'm going to click this button with the three dots in the top right, and I'm going to click on manage sidebar sections. And now from here I can select which sections I do not want to use. So I don't have a recurring revenue thing with my clients. I'm going to uncheck this. As I said, I don't use organizations much, so I'm going to uncheck this as well. I don't need to worry about participants, overview, followers, email, BCC, and invoicing. I'm also going to push person just below deal details, and for the timing I'm going to leave projects here as well. So I'm going to click save, and now you can see this deal detailed view is a lot cleaner. Now similarly, I'm going to customize the person detailed view as well. So I'm going to click on the person record, and I'm going to follow the same steps now. So I'm going to click on this button with the three dots in the top right. From the person detailed view, I'm going to click on manage sidebar sections, and here I'm going to uncheck leads, I'm going to uncheck overview, followers, email, BCC. So now I'm left only with details of the person, deals, projects, and organization. I'm going to click save, and now you can see this is a lot cleaner, right? Similarly, if you are interested in customizing your organization detailed view, you can follow the same steps and do away with any information that you don't want to show to the users of your Pipedrive account. This is how you keep your system clean. I'm going to also cover one quick thing here. So I'm going to customize this sections so that the first name is visible before the last name, email is visible before the phone number. I'm going to click done, and now this is going to apply to all the person objects inside Pipedrive, inside my Pipedrive account. So cool. This is done, and hope you enjoyed watching this video. This was a rather short one. If there are any other uh, how-to videos that you would like me to cover as part of this video series, do let me know in the comments, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.